The 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, home link garage door opener, power steering, air conditioning, front, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, aluminum wheels, cruise control, climate control, automatic. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.